What is up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. How you guys been? So, it's been a few weeks owning Comet, and needless to say, I'm still learning a lot about this car. But good news is I have gotten a whole bunch of parts, some cheap stuff, you know, some stuff to basically make it feel comfy, make it feel mine, you know, a little bit newer. We're gonna tackle the easy stuff first, right? And then we'll hit maintenance after, so kind of get the confidence boost going, and then we'll tackle the hard stuff like putting new coolant and new thermostat in the car, and then an oil change, still important. This car is missing the antenna. Should be right here. It's not there. And this is tape, so we have to address that. And then from last vid, you know, the interior definitely needs love. We're gonna be changing this out. That's cool. It doesn't have 6 gears, so the car doesn't have 6 gears. I don't want to lie to you guys anymore. This thing is busted, dude. Like, finger shift boot, man. And then this is cool, not bad. And then the steering wheel. Yes, this is cool. I got some new parts. Nothing to break the bank, as you guys know. Budget, mind. I got these cheap boots. I think they were like 10 bucks on Amazon. This cool BMW plastic shift knob, also 10 or 11 bucks. And then I have this little seal. Bimmer tips, also Amazon. Let's have some fun. Let's get started. Interior stuff first, right? Right, let's send it. Alright, dude, so I got my budget buys. Get them in the car. Hey. This looks so much better than the other one. Not bad for 11 bucks. Shift boot. Not ripped. Not bad. Handbrake boot. Not bad. Steering wheel cover. Ooh, carbon fiber. Just kidding. For some budget buys, not bad. It definitely looks better than the torn old stuff or this 6-speed shift knob. I mean, the car's not even a 6-speed, but hey, it does have M on it. So, what is your opinion on up-badging cars? Don't get me wrong. Some badges are really cool. Like for this one, for example, already came with this. So that's kind of cool. And then previous owner also put these M shift pedals, so that's pretty neat too. Oh, we got one more thing. Let's replace that. Alright. Pursuestar. Hey, sick. So one thing that's different about my compact are the headlights. If you could see, it's one solid piece. But unfortunately, the fitment is not good. Yeah, like, that's crazy. Oh, don't mind that rust. Don't worry about that, that's okay. But this right here, it's just one solid piece. So, I think I'm gonna switch back to the regular stock 2-piece headlight and corner light combo. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I should keep these or go for stockies? Comet, the compact, is up. We are ready to do the oil change, so let's drain the oil. We'll take out the oil filter from the top, which is interesting, kind of like my boy Joe's. And then after that, we'll refill the car with the oil. Then we'll tackle the radiator fluid next. Sick. Let's get to work. Okay. So this kind of looks like Joe's. So that's cool. Let's put that there. Alrighty dudes, so we'll be using Wix filter for the 97 318 hatch. For oil we'll be using Rotella T6. Hopefully the thickness will kind of quiet up the engine. And then for the coolant we'll be using the European vehicle blue. Cool thing about these Wix filters, comes with the extra crush washer and then the necessary seals. I run Wix on all my cars, the KA Turbo, the H22, and then now the M44s. The M44 B19 takes 5.3 liters of oil. I have these 2 gallons of the 15W40, but man, I'm just gonna use this thing and they'll tell me exactly how much 5.3 liters is. I know it looks funny, but this thing really helps. Don't make fun of me. The rain actually isn't that bad. It's cooling Central Florida off because it's been hot as balls out here. So, the oil change is done. One last thing for today's mission, we'll be replacing the coolant in this car. I believe there's distilled water. That's what previous owner told me. For our peace of mind and for my knowledge, I'll replace the coolant. And then we'll be replacing the thermostat as well. And then since the car's already up, we have to bleed it. And we'll take it for a rip. We're under the car. And we will be draining the radiator from this nub right here. Gotta take this off. It's a little clip. It's basically a little clip that keeps the plug from backing out. Oh, we already got leakage. Alrighty. Yeah, that's just water, guys. That is not blue coolant. All the fluid from the radiator has been drained. I took off the hoses. Let's see. So now we just gotta take thermostat housing. It is 10. So if you could find your 10, it's not missing. Let's get these off. So, if you see this thing missing in the middle, it means that this guy took it out, previous owner, because as you can see, most thermostats have this metal disc thing. So from what I could tell, what this guy was trying to do was basically not fully restrict the flow of the coolant going into the engine. So that's actually something that I was gonna try to tackle. I put extra weep holes in it. So that makes me wonder if this guy or this car had any bit of maybe overheating problems, or I don't know. But we're gonna put this new thermostat with the extra weep holes, and we're gonna send it. Finally was able to get the new thermostat and the new thermostat housing into place. I put the hoses back on, secured the clamps, and now we are just letting the extra RTV that I put on to seal it dry and give it 24 hours to cure. While I've been waiting for that thing to dry, I put the door panels back on. Looks so much cleaner. Hey. I found this radio in the box of stuff that the previous owner gave to me before, and we're basically just gonna try to plug stuff in. I finally have the radio all buttoned up. Everything should be connected. So the speakers are already connected to the door card, so let's see what happens. What? Oh! Yo! Yo! My dudes! We got the radio working. What? This car is coming along. Definitely the interior is coming along. Got radio now. Things are looking a little bit cleaner, a little bit more comfier. The door panels are on. What? Okay, so this headliner, I gotta figure out how to fix this, get material, and we'll attack that. I mean, but yo, it's coming along. This car is coming along. I finished the pre-bleeding, so what it did basically was fill up the car, fill up the coolant reservoir that's connected to the radiator with as much coolant as possible. For me, it took about 1 3/4 of the jugs. Got a screwdriver, opened up this bleeding until air came out. Until it didn't take any more coolant. Once I twisted it open, a lot of air came out. So that basically means coolant was taking place of the air that was inside the radiator, the hose, and also the engine block. Well, what happened is this drive, we're not gonna do anything crazy or anything, just test drive around the neighborhood. When we'll check back the coolant once we get back home. If it needs more, we'll refill it, which we probably will. And we'll check the coolant, you know, throughout the week just to see how it's going. Kai, how are you, bud? What do you think of the new compact? Aww. Do you like Comet? Oh, thumbnail picture? Yo, hey Kai! Perfect. He's so handsome. Well, my dudes, I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with how this car is coming along. It's really the small things, you know, like interior pieces, new steering wheel cover. This feels so much better, you know. It looks pretty good. Not bad for some cheap finds on Amazon. Thank you, previous owner. But, dude, with the door panels, it's not bad. It's a clean car. Guys, that's all I got for today's video. Thank you for stopping by. Hopefully, the next one will be tackling this problem right here. We definitely have to work on the brakes because this car's brakes are very suspicious. And definitely tranny fluid. We gotta change the transmission fluid. As always, thank you for stopping by. If you could leave a like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.